everyone. Welcome to Visual Vocab English. Are you ready to dive into the world of delicious fruits and vibrant vegetables? Let's learn their names together. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Grape, grape. Pineapple, pineapple. Watermelon, watermelon. Strawberry, strawberry. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Vegetables. Carrot, carrot. Potato, potato. Onion, onion. Lettuce, lettuce. Spinach, spinach. Tomato, tomato. Broccoli, broccoli. Pea, pea. Cucumber, cucumber. Great job, everyone! You've just learned the names of some common fruits and vegetables in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a vocabulary master.